Bonni Sandy. I am the CEO and founder of Diversity Promos. We are an online agency as well as we do a lot of online stores. I've been a supplier, manufacturer. I understand everything from printing to designing to CAD to concepts to manufacturing. The biggest problems that most companies have is deciphering what items are going to be relevant for now and what's going to be relevant for the future. I am a problem solver. I do my research from the companies and then I'll do a trend report on them so that I can have all my demographics and geographics. And we could design an entire presentation or web store in 24 hours. And that's what makes us different. We're an agency. We're not a promotional company. We give our customers uniqueness. We listen to their needs and then we give them what they want and then we tell them what they need. We have over 52 patents for a reason. And that's because my customers, they needed uniqueness and creativity. I love challenges, and importing, designing, and staying on production schedules is a huge challenge during any time, especially during a time of crisis. But what I learned a long time ago in my career is what I hold true today, and that is you work hard and you work smart, and mostly you work hard. I'm also a founding member of QCA, so that would be QCA.org, which is a government agency in compliance. We have all the current documentation, as well as we make sure we test every product with every lot that we manufacture. We visit all of our factories at least twice a year. We want to make sure all of our customers have their brand protected. That's what we guarantee. We're going to protect your brand. You need something quality and you need something unique and you need something out of the box and you want to blow away your customers, your clients. We are the ones to call.